On this video today, I'm going to show you the super easiest way that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you are not required to make any investment. Everything is free, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are many of them that you can join. You can join Max Bounty, you can join OGRs, you can join CPA Lead or any CPA network that you know. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and then begin to find offers on this platform that you can promote to earn money from home. Now, once you create your accounts on CPA Group and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now, what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. CPA offers, they are geo-specific. What it means is that each of the offers on this platform is allowed in a specific country. You can promote any offer to any place that you want. You must find a country and the offers that are available in that country so that you can promote to people who live in the country that you selected. As you can see on your screen, all these offers are allowed in the United States. You can see all of them. They are allowed in the United States. So when you are promoting any of these offers, you must target people who live in the United States. Once you get people who live in the United States to click on your link, they are required to take a specific action so that they can get access to an offer. For example, you can see this one right here. Your potential visitors are required to enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning $750 gift card. Once they enter their details to receive the gift card, whether they win or not, you are going to be paid $2.22. They don't need to purchase anything. CPA offers, your potential visitors are not required to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to take a specific action. The action varies. Some of them is email and zip code submit. Some of them can be PIN submit, some of them can be credit card submit, and many others. They are not required to purchase anything. They just need to take a specific action and you are going to be paid. So what you have to do is that you have to select a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote offers in that country. Apart from the traffic source, you have to also select a country where you can get offers with higher payout. As you can see, these offers, the payout is low. So when you are using paid traffic source, you are not going to be making profit. But when you are using free traffic source, you can promote offers like this because you are not going to be paying for the traffic. In this case, I have a traffic source in France. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for France so that I can get offers that are allowed in France so that I can promote them to people who live in France for them to take a specific action so that I can be making money. To select a country, just click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and then select any country that you want. You can see a whole lot of different countries. Just select any of them that you want so that you can find offers to promote. In this case, I'm targeting France. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click right here, France. Once you click on France, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can find an offer to promote. What I'm going to be looking for is the payout. I want to look for offers with higher payout so that I can promote such offers. Apart from that, I will also consider the requirement. So for example, you can see this one right here. The requirement is that my potential visitors have to enter a PIN code so that they can win an offer, and I'm going to be paid $1.50. The next one, the requirement is that my potential visitors are required to enter their credit card details so that they can get access to an offer, and I'm going to be paid $6.42. Sometimes credit card submit, it is difficult for you to get people to enter their credit card details because of the scams online. So mostly I do not promote credit card submit offers. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to skip it. So I'm going to scroll down and then find a different offer. You can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $4.79, and you can see the next one is $17.11. It is a good offer that you can promote, but the requirement is difficult. We may not get a lot of people to enter their credit card details so that we can get paid. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here because the requirement is simple. My potential visitors are required to enter a PIN code. While they enter the PIN code, I'm going to be paid $4.79. They don't need to purchase anything. They just need to submit a PIN code. So now what you have to do is that you have to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in France to click on this link and then enter a PIN code. Once they submit the PIN code, you are going to be paid $4.79. They don't need to purchase anything. Your potential visitors are not required to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to submit the PIN so that they can get access to the offer. If you want, you can translate the text so that you understand it better. So just right click on your screen. Once you right click, select translate to English. Once you click on it, everything has been translated. You can see. So access the latest content. It is a gaming offer. Your potential visitors are not required to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter a PIN code so that they can get access to the game, and you are going to be paid. Now once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in France to click on your affiliate link and then take the specific action for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is promos.fr. This is a website that is based in France, and what they do on this website is that people give away items for free. Some also promote products with discount so that people can get access to them at a lower cost. If you also want, you can post something for free so that people can get access to it through this website. All the traffic is coming from France, so if you promote an item on this website, people who live in France are going to get access to it. So for example, we are promoting a gaming offer, so when we promote it on this website, the people who live in France are going to get access to the gaming offer and we are going to be paid. You can see they have a lot of different categories of items that you can submit on this website. For example, let me translate it for you to see. Let me translate it to English. As you can see, consoles and video games, you can see a whole lot of different things free. So if you are giving something for free, you can select this option. You can see hobbies, home, fashion and accessories, travel and many others. So anything that you want to promote, you can promote it using this website. Now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can promote your affiliate link on this website. To create an account, click right here, connection. Once you click on it, click right here, register, so that you can create an account. But because I have an account, I'm going to click right here, connection, so that I can log in. Once you create your account and log in, you're going to see a page like this. If you want, you can translate it so that you understand everything on the website. So for example, if you don't understand French, you can select English so that everything will be translated. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to begin promoting your affiliate link. So click right here, share a promo. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select what you are promoting. In this case, it is a promo, so click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on CPA Grip and then copy your affiliate link. You can see this is your affiliate link. But before you copy the affiliate link, you have to download the image of the offer. So right click on the offer image and then select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you select save image as, click on save, and that has been done. Once that is done, click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. As you can see, that has been done. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on following. Once you click on it, you have to upload the image that you downloaded. So click right here. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Now once the image is uploaded, the next step is that you have to enter the price. In this case, we are not selling anything, so everything is free. Just leave it. You can see it is optional. You can see all these are optional. Just leave everything. Once that is done, scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see title. This is where you're going to paste the title of the offer that you are promoting. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to paste the description of the offer right here. So come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, you can see this is the description of the offer. Highlight and then copy it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your affiliate link, the title of your offer, the next step is that you have to select the category of the offer that you are promoting. In this case, it is a gaming offer, so select consoles and video games. Once that is done, you can enter a location here, but we are not going to enter any location. But if you want, you can select a location. In this case, we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see start date. You can enter any date that you want. we just want to create a sense of urgency, so you can select any date that you want. So you can enter your date right here. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any date that you want. So select a date. As you can see, that has been done. The expiring date, you can click on it and then select any date that you want. Just select a date. So you can select any date that you want. Let's select June 29th. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to post your ad onto the platform. So click right here, create a new deal, so that your ad can be posted. Once you click on it, it has been submitted. The moderator will review everything. Once they review it, they will publish it onto the website so that you can be getting traffic to your affiliate link. Apart from CPA offers, you can see these are physical items that you can promote. You can see these items. You can promote something like this on the platform. As I scroll down, you can see different items that you can post on this website. So if you want, you can also join Amazon affiliate program. Once you join, you can promote any item that you want. You can see these items. You can promote them on the website so that you can get people to purchase them for you to make money. If you want to join Amazon affiliate program, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see become an affiliate. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on sign up. Once you sign up, you can be able to promote any product on Amazon that you want, so that you can be making money. Just join the affiliate program. Once you join, you have to promote the items on this website so that you can be making money without investing anything. You can see a whole lot of different items that you can promote. All these kinds of items are available on Amazon. So all that you need to do is that you have to join the affiliate program, get your affiliate link, and then promote the item on this website so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.